This tutorial review will show you how to vectorize an image in Illustrator. Here is my JPG photo, which one I'm gonna convert it to vectorize. Let's zoom the photo to see edge of the photo. As we can see, the edge of this photo is not smooth. The first thing we have to do is select the photo and click this arrow icon next to image trace and select 3 or 6 colors. Click OK. It may take some time to process the photo. Once done, zoom the photo again. Now we can see the edge of this photo is quite smooth. And here is the before and after result. You can select a different option from here to make your vector perfect. Just apply them one by one and check which option gives you the most perfect result. Once you get the best option, click this expand. Now your image will be converted to a vectorize. To remove background from your vectorize, click on View, Show Transparency Grid. Select this tool and click the background you want to remove. Then press Delete button and background will be deleted. To save to vectorize, click on File, Save As. Make sure to select the format here, AI. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.